A particular computing company finds that its weekly profit in dollars from the production and sale of X laptop computer is this P of X function. Let me highlight this. So this function will let us know their weekly profit. Okay, for selling and making and selling that many laptops. So currently, the company builds and sells 7 laptops weekly. Okay, so what is the current weekly profit? If we want to know that, then we will just simply plug in this 7, this 7 into the function. So x equals 7. So let us find P of 7. So do that decimal times 7 cubed minus 0.47 squared plus 700 times 7 minus 800. So let's see how much they're making. Okay, I'm gonna go and plug this into this scientific calculator, okay? So I'm typing that exact expression in. And let's see how much they're making. So I'm gonna double check for any typo. No, I don't think I have any typo. So that's gotta be it. $4,078.34. So that is the current weekly profit at the time when they're making 7 laptops weekly. So B is asking how much profit would be lost if production and sales drop to 6 laptops weekly. So what I will do is I will find P of 6. Okay? And I'm not gonna rewrite the whole thing. I mean, you know what we're doing, right? We're gonna plug in x equals 6. So what I will do is just like this calculator right here, I'll just copy this line and change the input to 6. What will happen if they make 6 laptops? Their profit went down. I'm going to write that down. So their profit went down to $3,384.30. So to answer their question, how much profit would be lost if production and sales drop to 6 laptops weekly? Let's subtract P of 7 that we found in part A and P of 6 that we just found to figure out the loss in profit, okay? So I'll copy this first number that we got, 4,000 number minus this second answer that we got. So we can say the profit went down by $694.04. That's the loss. Okay. I'll go back and look at part C now. What is the marginal profit when x equals 7? So marginal profit can be found by taking the derivative of the profit function. So how about, since this is way up there, let me copy this down and then I'll take the derivative of this function down here, okay? So to find the marginal profit function, simply take the derivative of this P of X. So let's see, I may need to calculate, I don't want to mess up all my decimals, so I'll be super careful and do my arithmetics here. Negative 0.006 times 3. It's negative 0.018, and exponent of this 3 goes down to 2. Minus, I don't think I'll mess up with doubling of 0.4, so that will be 0.8x and plus 700. So we got the marginal profit function, say p prime of x. Now we need to plug in 7 into this function. Negative 0.0. These numbers have all these decimal values. We gotta be super careful, right? 0.87 plus 700. So that is what I'm going to type in here. So I will do negative 0.018 No. See what I mean? Like, I almost messed up. Squared minus 0.8 times 7 plus 700. So let's put the correct unit, okay? So, we're looking at $693.52 per, what are we talking about? What product are we talking about? What are they making? Car seats? Lawnmower? No, laptops. Laptops. I should be a little more careful and try to put the correct unit. Per additional laptop. So what's happening is this. Say that they will make one more laptop, okay? Instead of 7 laptops, say that they make 8 laptops. Their profit will increase approximately by $693.52, okay? So use the answer from part A and C to estimate the profit resulting from the production and sale of, not 88, I think that's a typo right there. Get rid of one of the 8 for me. It should just say 8 laptop weekly, okay? So we're asked specifically, because we can find the actual profit by plugging in 8 into P of X. But I think they're asking us to use, let's see, the answers from part A and C. So let me highlight what they're asking about. The answers from part A and C. The answer from part A was how much profit they will have if they make 7 laptops. Answer from part C was that this company will make additional $693.52 if they make 1 extra laptop. So how do we figure out or how do we predict the profit for making 8 laptops? We're going to add those two numbers together. So here I go. I will do 4,000. I will do 4,078.34. So that's the answer from the first part, right? Plus the answer that we just got, $693.52. And the sum is going to be, let's see that, 4078.34 plus this number, 693.52. We're expecting the profit to be about $4,771.86. The profit resulting from the production and sale of 8 laptops weekly is, I'm gonna just put this number. I can't remember if my lab will ask you to actually plug in, but if we, like, say that we actually plug that 8 into the profit function, we better get something very close, okay? So just out of curiosity, take a look. I may do Control Z, Command Z several times to go back to that screen where I had this. Remember, this is the function we plug in to figure out how much profit we're gonna have per, like, for like 6 laptops, right? If I change that to 8, see, if I actually plug in 8 into the profit function, what I got is $4,771.33. And notice this is very, very close to what we got using the marginal revenue function. See, I'm comparing these two numbers, this number and this number. I think the way they worded this, how they're telling us to use the answer from part A and C, that you want to go with the sum of these two answers instead of the actual value that you will get after plugging in. So check that part very carefully on MyLab and you do this on your homework problem, okay?